Admit it. We're lost.
All right, we're lost. But we're making good time.
Commander Sulu, come in, please.
I don't believe this. Commander Sulu here.
Bad news, gentlemen. Shorely's been canceled.
Rescued at last.
Return to prearranged coordinates for pickup.
Don't tell them you're lost. You'll never leave it down.
Is there a problem, gentlemen?
Yes. We've been caught in a blizzard.
And we can't see a thing. Request you direct us to the coordinates.
My visual says sunny skies and 70 degrees.
Sulu, look. The sun's come out. It's a miracle.
Don't worry, fellas. Your secret's safe with me. I'll send the shuttlecraft to pick you up.
Uhura, I owe you one. Sulu out.
Get the damn light out of my face!
Mr. Scott apologizes for having to send the shuttlecraft. The transporter beam is non-operational. Captain, we've received important orders from Starfleet Command.
Why didn't you beep my communicator?
You forgot to take it with you.
Oh, wonder why I did that.
Well, gentlemen, it appears Shoreleave has been canceled. Pack out your trash.